Good morning, students.
I hope you are safe with your family.
Now I am going to teach you lesson 1 geometry. Before getting into the lesson, let me ask you some questions. What are the 2D shapes? Yes, your answer is correct. Square, rectangle, triangle, circle. These are called as 2D shapes. What is the shape of the chessboard? Good. The shape of the chessboard is square. What is the shape of the clock?
It's correct.
The shape of the clock is circle. What is the shape of the blackboard? S. The shape of the blackboard is rectangle. We can see many shapes in our day-to-day life.
We will say
Some real-life examples such as bangle, carom board, ball. Today we are going to learn about solid shapes. Solid shapes or figures refers to three-dimensional objects.
they have 3 dimensions.
These dimensions are length, width and height.
Let us learn about the following solid shapes:
Cube,
cuboid,
cone, cylinder and sphere. Properties of solid shapes. First one is cube. Look at the picture. It is a 3D shape. How many faces are there in a cube? It has 6 faces. Faces means single flat surface in a figure. How many vertices are there in a cube? It has 8 vertices. Vertices means 3 or more edges joined to a point. How many edges are there in a cube? It has 12 edges. Edges means the line segment where two faces meet. All sides are equal. Examples of cube are dice and Rubik's cube. Second one is
cuboid,
it is a 3D shape. It has 6 faces. It has 8 vertices and 12 edges. Its opposite sides are equal. Examples of cuboid are pencil box and matchbox. Third one is cone. It is a 3D shape. Base of a cone is circular. The distance from the top of the cone to the center of the base is called as height. The distance from the apex to any point lying on the circumference of base is called as slant height. The height and slant height are not equal. Examples of cone are ice cream cone and party cap. Fourth one is cylinder. It is a 3D shape. Two bases lie in upper and lower surfaces in a cylinder. Height is the distance between the two bases. Example of cylinder are soft drink can and dustbin. And fifth one is sphere. It is a 3D shape. It has one surface. All points on the surface are at the same distance from the center. It has no vertices and no edges. Examples of sphere are ball and globe. Next one is net. What is net? A net is a two-dimensional figure which can be folded to form a three-dimensional figure. First one is net of a cuboid. 6 rectangles form a net of a cuboid. Net of a cube. 6 equal squares form a net of a cube. Net of a cylinder. Consider a rectangle and 2 equal circles. This net thus formed is a cylinder. Join the two edges of a rectangle breadthwise in such a way that the length of the rectangle forms the boundary of one circle at the top and other circle at the bottom. Next one is net of a cone. Join both the portion of a circle in such way that the arc of the circle falls on the boundary of the circle attached at the bottom. Now, once again, we revise our lesson. What is the shape of the dice? It's correct. The shape of the dice is cube. What is the shape of the ice cream? Yes, your answer is correct. The shape of the ice cream is cone. What is the shape of the candle? It's correct. The shape of the candle is cylinder. Do the following exercise. Now it's time to check your answers.
We shall study about angles in our next video.
Thank you.